Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we're going over Microsoft stock, and we're going to dive into the recent news and the chart data. The most recent news surrounding Microsoft has been largely negative, focusing on concerns surrounding the company's investments in ChatGPT maker OpenAI. Analysts have cited significant losses for OpenAI, with estimates ranging from $2 to $3 billion for fiscal year 2025. This news has caused a downgrade of MSFT's stock rating to perform from outperform by some analysts. In addition, analysts have pointed to the slow adoption of AI in the enterprise sector, leading them to believe that associated revenues will likely fall short of expectations. Despite these concerns, it's important to acknowledge that Microsoft is heavily invested in this once-in-a-generation technology. However, expanding margins are not expected to be a priority for Microsoft in the short term. Looking at the bigger picture, Microsoft is still one of the largest companies by market capitalization and boasts a strong dividend growth streak. While MSFT's recent price action has been influenced by these concerns, it's crucial to analyze the chart data to get a more comprehensive understanding of the situation. Let's start with the daily chart and see what it tells us. Over the past month, Microsoft has shown some volatility, with a notable downtrend from its peak around 468.35 in early October. Currently, the stock is trading nearly 11% off its peak, settling around the 417 price level. This recent decline can be attributed to the negative news surrounding OpenAI. However, the daily chart also reveals some potential support levels. One notable support level is around 350, which was previously a resistance level. This level could act as a buffer, potentially preventing a deeper decline in the near term. On the other hand, we can see that the price has broken through a key resistance level at around 430. This breakdown suggests that the bullish momentum may be fading and a bearish trend could be taking hold. Now, let's zoom in on the 1-hour chart to gain a more granular understanding of MSFT's price action. Looking at the past week, the stock has been consolidating within a tight range, hovering between 415 and 425. This consolidation phase suggests that traders are unsure about the direction of the stock. We can also observe that the price has been bouncing off the 415 support level. This suggests that there may be buyers stepping in at this price level, potentially preventing further declines. However, the 1-hour chart also indicates potential resistance around 425. This resistance level could limit the upward movement of the stock. In the past week, we can see several attempts to break through 425, but they have all been unsuccessful. Now, let's examine the 15-minute chart, where we can see the most recent price action in finer detail. The 15-minute chart reveals a period of intense volatility, with the price fluctuating rapidly within a narrow range. This kind of price action is typical of a market in a state of uncertainty. While there are some subtle trends, the 15-minute chart doesn't reveal any clear indications of bullish or bearish momentum. We can also see that the price has been bouncing off both 415 and 425. This indicates that traders are struggling to establish a clear direction, and the market is likely to remain volatile for the time being. However, the lack of a clear trend in the 15-minute chart does not necessarily mean that the daily or 1-hour charts don't offer any insights. The 15-minute chart is more focused on short-term fluctuations. For a more complete understanding of the situation, we need to consider the bigger picture presented by the daily and 1-hour charts. Looking back at the daily chart, we can see that the price has broken through a major resistance level at around 430. This breakdown suggests that the bullish trend might be fading, potentially setting the stage for a bearish move. However, there are some key support levels that could limit the downside potential. The first support level is around 350, which was previously a resistance level. This level could act as a buffer, potentially preventing a deeper decline. We can also observe a strong support level at around 300. If the price breaks below 350, this could be the next key support level to watch. It's important to keep in mind that these support levels are not guaranteed. Other factors, such as news events and overall market sentiment, could influence the price action. Therefore, it's essential to monitor the chart closely and be prepared to adjust your trading strategy based on the evolving market conditions. Now, let's switch back to the 1-hour chart and focus on the recent price action. As we discussed earlier, the price has been consolidating within a tight range, hovering between 415 and 425. This consolidation phase suggests that traders are unsure about the direction of the stock. However, the recent bounce off the 415 support level indicates that there may be buyers stepping in, potentially preventing further declines. The 1-hour chart also reveals some potential breakout points. If the price breaks above 425, this could signal a shift in momentum and a potential bullish trend. Conversely, if the price breaks below 415, this could signal a bearish trend. It's crucial to monitor the price action closely and be ready to adjust your trading strategy based on these breakout points. To recap, MSFT's stock price has been impacted by recent negative news surrounding OpenAI, resulting in a downtrend and a breakdown of a key resistance level. However, there are some key support levels that could limit the downside potential. On the daily chart, the key support levels to watch are around 350 and 300. On the 1-hour chart, the consolidation phase suggests uncertainty among traders, with potential breakout points at 425 and 415. If the price breaks above 425, this could signal a shift in momentum and a potential bullish trend. Conversely, if the price breaks below 415, this could signal a bearish trend. It's important to keep in mind that these predictions are not guaranteed and other factors could influence the price action. It's essential to monitor the charts closely and be prepared to adjust your trading strategy based on the evolving market conditions.